Okay, we're back in the garage. Today, we're going to take the engine out of the frame. I decided this thing needs to be completely cleaned and all the water seals need to be replaced. So took the carbs out. You can see the slave clutch was all full of gunk, and I have pretty much removed everything I need to remove. I need to remove the pegs. This side of the frame comes out. So then the engine just slides out. We're going to use my motorcycle jack, some wood, and hopefully get this thing out of there, clean it up best I can, replace every seal and gasket that needs to be replaced. I've also put the Evapo-Rust in here to try to pull out the rust in this valve area. And I'm sure the cylinder needs some too. So today, engine comes out. I'll try to record it when I actually pull the engine out, and hopefully no disasters. Check you out a little later. All right, the engine is free and clear. Everything seems to be stable. So I just gotta wheel it out of here. And it'll go to the left, but I think I got it pretty stable on here. So let's get it out. Okay, the engine is out. No disasters. I think I got it tied down good. So pretty happy with it. Now the work begins to clean this up. And still got ways to go. I think I'm gonna take this cover off and bag it like I did the top, and we'll do that separate. And I've got a bag, put a bag around this. And then I took the cover for the cross, it's called the cross drive cover. It's got the water pump. This is where the shaft goes. This is where the clutch goes through, and this is the gear. So I'm gonna have to cover that, which I've already painted it, and it's been drying for a couple days. I'm just giving it a few more days. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna put that on or just try to do something else to cover that, but we'll see. So still got a ways to go to prep it. I've got some plugs, and this is a quarter with some tape on it in here. And just trying to do what I can. I'll have to do something with the wires. Hadn't decided that yet. Tape it up real good or something. Probably. But we're getting there. I kind of saw this bag trick on the internet, looking it up, so hopefully it'll work. Still taping it just in case there's little tiny holes where I'm going to be painting. And I'll be painting these bolts. I still got to clean them up a little better, paint them black. And yeah, so I'm going to prime it with the primer and then paint it. And they're both 550 degrees. So try to give it a chance to stick correctly. I've already degreased it. And so this is where we are today. This is basically what I've been doing all weekend, trying to clean it up, scruff it up, prep it. Hopefully sometime this week I'll be able to paint this thing. I don't know about today. One thing I've learned is try to take my time, because I used to not be that way. So I'm trying to do this in as much of a patient way as I possibly can do with my personality, which is, that's not the easiest thing for me. So hopefully the next time you see this engine, it'll be looking more like that. So, all right, well, we'll see you next time.